Perimenopausal mood swings, what's happening and how to fix it. One minute you're fine, and the next you're snapping at your partner, crying at a commercial, or feeling completely overwhelmed. Does this sound familiar? Mood swings and perimenopause are real, and they can feel like an emotional roller coaster. But the good news? There are real science-backed ways to manage them. In this video, I'll explain why mood swings happen in perimenopause, and most importantly, what you can do to feel more balanced and in control. Let's dive in. Mood swings aren't just in your head. They're caused by real hormonal shifts happening in your body. Progesterone drops first. This calming hormone regulates mood and sleep. When it declines, anxiety and irritability increase. Estrogen fluctuates wildly. Some days it's high, making you feel great. Other days it crashes, leading to sadness, brain fog, and frustration. Cortisol and stress hormones rise. If your body is under stress, it steals resources from progesterone, making mood swings even worse. Blood sugar imbalances. Low blood sugar equals mood crashes. High insulin levels make anxiety and irritability worse. How mood swings show up. These hormone shifts affect different women in different ways. But here are some of the most common mood-related symptoms in perimenopause. Feeling irritable or on edge over small things. Crying more easily, feeling emotional for no clear reason. Increased anxiety, racing thoughts, or feeling overwhelmed. Sudden waves of sadness or depression without an obvious cause. Low motivation or energy dips, making it hard to get things done. How to manage perimenopausal mood swings naturally. Step 1, balance your blood sugar. Blood sugar swings equals mood swings. Keep your energy and emotions stable by eating the right foods. Eat protein and healthy fats at every meal to avoid crashes. Reduce processed carbs and sugar, which spike insulin and worsen anxiety. Don't skip meals. Irregular eating patterns trigger cortisol and mood dips. Number 2, prioritize sleep and stress management. Lack of sleep and high stress will make mood swings worse. Supporting your nervous system is key. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Lack of sleep lowers serotonin and increases stress hormones. Try magnesium, herbal teas, or guided meditation to calm the nervous system before bed. Daily movement like walking, yoga, or deep breathing helps to regulate cortisol. Number 3, support progesterone naturally. Progesterone is the calm and chill hormone. Since it naturally declines in perimenopause, we need to support it. Magnesium glycinate and vitamin B6 can help your body make more progesterone. Certain herbs like chaste tree, vitex, may support hormone balance. HRT, bioidentical progesterone, is an option for some women. Talk to your provider. Number 4, reduce caffeine and alcohol. I know, no one wants to hear this, but both caffeine and alcohol can make mood swings worse. Caffeine spikes cortisol, making you feel anxious and on edge. Alcohol disrupts sleep and estrogen balance, making mood dips worse the next day. If you're struggling, try reducing caffeine, half calf, tea, or swapping alcohol for mocktails a few nights a week. Number 5, strength train and move your body. Exercise isn't just for weight management or weight loss. It helps balance hormones and boost your mood. Strength training reduces stress and increases feel-good hormones. Sprint interval training twice a week can improve insulin sensitivity and brain function. Walking outdoors daily helps regulate cortisol and mood naturally. If you're tired of feeling like your emotions are running the show, let's take action together. Join my free 5-day hormone reset, where I'll walk you through the exact steps to balance your hormones, boost your mood, and feel like yourself again. Check out the description to sign up now. Inside, you'll get simple, science-backed strategies to start feeling better in just 5 days. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hormone health tips. And I'll see you in the next video.